Example 3. Solving compound inequalities with OR. Solve the inequality and graph the solution. So we have 3y minus 5 is less than negative 8, or 2y minus 1 is greater than 5. So we're going to solve both of them for y. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. We'll have 3y is less than negative 3. Divide by 3. Y is less than negative 1. Then we're going to have our OR. We're going to come over here, add 1 to both sides. So we have 2y is greater than 6. Divide both sides by 2, and we have y is greater than 3. So we're going to go to negative 1 and draw an open circle, then an arrow to the left, because this our letters on our left side and it points to the left, so we draw in the same direction if our letter's on the left. Then we're going to go to 3, and we're going to draw to the right, because our letter's on the left, and then our number's on the right side. Okay, solving real-life problems. Modeling with mathematics. Electrical devices should operate effectively within a specified temperature range. Outside the operating temperature range, the device may fail. Write and solve a compound inequality that represents the possible operating temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit of the smartphone. So we're given the operating temperature in degrees Celsius. What are you asked to find? We're asked to write a compound inequality that represents the possible operating temperatures of the smartphone. What formula do you need to know and why? Do you need to know in order to solve the problem? You need C is equal to 5 over 9 times F Fahrenheit minus 32 to find a variable. So C is the temperature in degrees Celsius. F is the temp in degrees Fahrenheit. So write and solve an equation. So we're going to start 0 is less than or equal to C, which is less than or equal to 35. Then we're going to plug in, so we have 0 less than or equal to 5 over 9 times F minus 32, which is less than or equal to 35. I'm going to multiply all of these by 9, so I can get rid of the bottom of this fraction. So we have 0 is less than or equal to 5 times F minus 32, which is less than or equal to 315. I'm then going to distribute out. So we're going to have 0 is less than or equal to 5F. Oops, that is not an F. 5F minus 160 is less than or equal to 315. Now I'm going to add 160 to all sides. So 160 is less than or equal to 5F, which is less than or equal to 475. And divide everything by 5. So we're going to have 32 is less than or equal to F, which is less than or equal to 95. So state my solution. The solution is 32 less than or equal to Fahrenheit, which is less than or equal to 95. So the operating temperature range of the smartphone is 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Now go check your answer on your own. You're just going to plug the two numbers we got into the C equals and see if you get 0 and 35.